Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make this patriotic flag using our elastic cord in patriotic colors and a dowel. And this project is in honor of Memorial Day. I'm going to get set up and I'll be right back and we'll get started. For starters, I got some blue acrylic paint and I painted one of our 1/4 inch dowels. It's 12 inches long and a 1/4 inch in diameter. I painted it blue and I did that ahead of time so that it could dry. So I have that ready. And the next step was to cut different lengths of our elastic cord. And as you can see, red, white, and blue and the American flag. So I cut 4 12-inch lengths of the American flag and I staggered them. So I cut them and staggered them so they would make like a little pattern. So I got those and then I cut 2 white, 2 red, these are all 12 inches, and 3 blue. We're going to start with the American flag, and I'm going to put glue for starters right in the middle, and then I'm going to wrap the middle around the dowel, put more glue, and then glue the two together. So let's get started. Woo! I was a little generous with that. Let me just slide that along the surface like so. And then we want to find the middle and glue that onto our dowel. Then I'm just going to put another little strip of glue. This is child-friendly glue. It dries clear. And this is a fun project to do with your children. Okay, and that's how I did it. And at the end, I'm just going to line and trim the ends of my flag cords so they're even. So I'll keep going with the American flag. Do 4 of these. Now, I've got those glued, and next I'm going to stagger blue, white, red, blue, white, red, blue. So don't be concerned if some of the glue squirts or spills out of the sides because it will dry clear. Just make sure you get clear drying glue. I'm going to let that set aside and dry for a few minutes, and I'll be back and then we'll trim the ends evenly. Now that everything's pretty dry, I'm going to just cut the ends evenly. Now your whole family can help you celebrate Memorial Day. And these can also be used for 4th of July and Labor Day as well. You're going to find that you have a lot of scraps left of the elastic cords. So I'm going to show you how to make hair ties with some of the leftovers. All you do is take a length, fold it, stretch it and do an overhand knot. And you can make these long, short. You could even make a headband if you had a length long enough. There's a red one. I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. And then you can wear these in your hair or around your wrist as a bracelet. And then you can just cut these little tails. There you go. Patriotic hair ties, and a little added bonus. Thanks for joining us today. If you make your own flags and hair ties, share them with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thanks for joining us. See you next time. Bye.